As an attorney who's been doing accident and injury litigation for a number of years, popular activities that have always concerned me: recreational vehicles, motorcycles, ATVs, snowmobiles, the speed that those vehicles are able to attain, and I think sometimes the culture of the vehicle use presents an increase in the risk that's associated with the activities, because they don't have the sort of safeguards that a motor vehicle does. But you're still very, very exposed, and a collision with a fixed object or roadway collisions with motor vehicles are going to leave people at a tremendous disadvantage to their safety.
So one of the activities, at least this time of year, that scares me a little bit is boating, actually. We're in cabin country, we all love boating, I love boating, tubing, but when you get people who are wake surfing and tubing, small kids, and boats become really busy, lakes become really busy during the season, it can be incredibly dangerous depending on the behavior of the individuals driving those boats and the people in the water too, frankly.
One of the most unexpected hazards I've run into is chemical burns from wet cement. I remember being a kid and putting your hands in it and not thinking anything of it, but they can be really bad. They can be as bad as any fire burn.
As a PI attorney, I think you sort of become afraid of every activity because you handle these cases where people have endured really gruesome injuries and horrible permanent consequences as a result of injuries when they're just engaging in some seemingly benign recreational activity. Perfect example, bicycling, I think, is one thing that is certainly fun, is certainly healthy, and a great activity, but it really can be dangerous, and we see a number of bike accidents every year where people are seriously injured on bicycles, often even when they're wearing helmets. Just the exposure on the bicycle to the roadway and to motor vehicles, and the difference in velocity and speed between the motor vehicle and the bike can result in serious injuries, especially if the bicyclist is biking on a busy road and the driver doesn't necessarily see or expect the bicyclist to be there.